Not long ago, I got a call from a medical researcher I had collaborated with before. Let's call him Professor Anthony McKenzie. His voice was buzzing with excitement as he shared his project idea, a bold shift he wants to bring into the world of diagnostics. To make it happen, however, he'll need serious funding, particularly for large-scale clinical studies. Part of that funding, he explained, could come from the EIC Accelerator program, launched by the European Commission. As Professor McKenzie passionately sketched out his idea, a storm of scientific jargon filled the conversation. While he painted the big picture, I focused on distilling it down to the essentials and challenged Mr. McKenzie with the 3 key questions that would define the path ahead. Why Anthony McKenzie wants to do that particular project? What is his motivation? What is his driver? How unique is his novel tool for diagnostics? Does it clearly differ from all others? And what kind of tool exactly is it? How does it work? 3 simple questions about your driver, the uniqueness of what you want to develop, and the major outcome. 3 powerful answers help you to connect with those crucial partners whose vision resonates with yours. They bring pivotal expertise, fresh perspectives, and critical insights, and they share your inspiration and your motivation. Together, such a team sparks creativity, fuels enthusiasm, and shapes a project that truly captures attention. Collaboration in this setting isn't just work, it's fun, dynamic, and a little bit rock and roll.